Everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to shatter a few of the top myths that I see people talking about when it comes to making money on YouTube. Look, most people think that to make money on YouTube, it's got to be done one certain way. But problem is they typically just see the content or the tip of the iceberg without seeing what's really going on underneath it. And it leads to a lot of confusion about how people actually make money on this whole YouTube thing. For example, there are many YouTubers with relatively small channels making hundreds of dollars per video, with only 1,000 to 2,000 views per video. This is because these channels aren't reliant on YouTube ad revenue alone. I hope that today's video will inspire you and it will encourage you, especially if you have a small channel or if you're thinking about launching your first channel on YouTube to start making money, but really don't know where to start. I hope that's going to inspire you to do it right here on YouTube. So let's get into some of the myths. But before we do that though, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Most of you who watch this video won't be subscribed and will miss out on previous and future content that I'm putting out there to help people make money online. So go ahead and subscribe and check out some of the other content I've created around this topic of succeeding on YouTube. All right, so let's get into some of these myths. Myth number one is that you need YouTube monetization to make money. One thing I'm fairly certain you guys have noticed is the ads on YouTube videos. They place it before the video, during the video, after the video, off to the side, you name a place, YouTube has stuck an ad there. And most people think that's how you make money on YouTube. But here's the thing, most creators don't turn on monetization until after a year after starting. In part, that's due to YouTube's rules that say you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, but sometimes creators have other things that make their videos money. For example, many creators will place Amazon affiliate links in their descriptions based on the gear that they are using or the products they're reviewing. Some YouTubers put a link in their email newsletter in the description and use YouTube to drive traffic to that. The list goes on and on. Quite simply, though, you don't need to monetize your channel just through YouTube ads. Even if you choose to go this route, YouTube ads pay very little compared to other methods, like the affiliate marketing that I do. So when people say you need to run ads to monetize, it's a myth and it's holding you back from making real money on your channel. Myth number two is that your video needs millions of views. When you have great offers, it means you only need to make a few sales and you make more money with YouTube monetization. Here's the thing, when you create content that works, when you create something on your channel that's truly inspiring and engaging and motivating, something that moves the needle and educates people, then the best way to monetize is with a great offer. You don't have to go and start to go viral like everybody else. You can produce good content, content that helps people, content that educates people on whatever it is you might be interested in. And you can still make money through these offers instead of these ads. Myth number three, YouTube is all about generating sales. Look, it's not. YouTube is actually about generating leads, and it's not a selling platform. What's great about YouTube is that it's a great place to get loads and loads of leads completely free. So you can nurture them through an email sequence and sell them as long as they say subscribed. That's what's so super important. That's the neat thing that really helps us with our YouTube channel is that we're not trying to make sales on YouTube. We're trying to get people to buy into the fact that we can teach, in most cases, affiliate marketing or how to build your YouTube channel. Now, you may be wondering, what are the ways to monetize with offers instead of running ads? You can do this numbers of ways. One method is to sign up for Amazon's affiliate program and include links in your description to different products that you may be using or talking about. Another thing to consider is signing up as an affiliate for any software tools that you are using. For example, if you're using a certain video editor or stock music or photo site, or if there's another relevant software that you like, you can become an affiliate and link it into your description. What I've been doing is sharing a course that I'm taking called Partner with Anthony. This course was created by Anthony Morrison to help new affiliate marketers get their businesses up and running. This course has 30 modules covering topics like sales funnels, email marketing, list building, and traffic strategy. You also get access to done it for you email templates and sales funnels that you can truly hit the ground running quickly. In addition to that, when you sign up for Partner with Anthony, you can then promote it to other people and receive affiliate commissions when people purchase it through you. Anthony gives you access to promote his entire ecosystem of products and courses, meaning you can turn a one time sales opportunity into a multiple sales opportunity. I've included a link in this course in the description below this video. Click on that link to learn more and get started today. It's truly one of the best ways not only to monetize your small YouTube channel, but to learn more about affiliate marketing and build alternate streams of income besides just YouTube. As always, thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button if you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you next time.